Will they be calling it magic this evening? Let's head over to our commentary team led by Pete Johnson for El Clasico.
Let's see how it's going to be this season. It's Mbappe's first Clasico. It's Hansi Flick's first Clasico. Who's going to come out on top tonight? It's going to be Mbappe who gets maybe the first chance of the game for Kylian Mbappe, and it's saved. I'm not sure if the flag has come up. I think it has, but that's the first real test for Iñaki Peña, and he passed it, Chappie, despite the fact it was offside anyway. With the chance to cross.
The first minutes, and we said there's a risky situation.
Here is Fermin. Real Madrid win it back, but the free kick goes Barcelona's way.
Yeah, I think they're
doing exactly that for Sevilla. Foot back onto the left foot, still no cross, and in the end Koundé puts the ball out for a corner. To Vinicius, up against Fermin, another corner.
To the goalkeeper.
And it comes again from Valverde. It's punched away by the goalkeeper. Iñaki Bellingham is there as well. Vinicius running through the middle as in Madrid. Into the area from Lamine Yamal, headed away from one and then from two, and slips out for Lewandowski. Lewandowski tried to hit it on the volley, and it bounces back into the arms of Lunin. A let-off for Real Madrid.
Those are the mistakes that Real Madrid can't make.
So though once more into Lewandowski, who goes down, and the referee buys that. He says yes, foul against Militao. To Mbappe, and the goalkeeper's out, and that sails over the top of the crossbar. It could have ended worse for Barcelona.
Once again, long ball, second ball, one mistake.
But look how open where the centre.
William's got some work to do here. Inigo Martinez away here. Not sure if the flag is up. Lamine Yamal shoots, and it's saved by Lunin. And I think this flag's Fermin. Bellingham in the middle. He squares it. Bellingham! Was it saved? For the moment. Well, the flag is up. Well, Bellingham, who hasn't scored so far this season, on the end of that Mbappe first, cuts inside, Vinicius, and he steered it past the post. What an opportunity that was. He twisted and turned his way from Jules Koundé, but he couldn't do this. Camavinga with a chance into the side netting. Flag up again, possibly, well, you were talking about the runs from deep. Possible chance coming up for Real Madrid, but Bellingham can't keep it in play. Long ball forward from Camavinga, which Mbappe will chase. Through to Rafinha, out. I'll be back to Pedri, and Pedri goes for goal. Lunin bats that one away, then crossed into the middle by Lewandowski, and it was Militao with a very important block because Fermin was ghosting in behind him. Rafinha puts it back into the area, and the header just over the top from Inigo Martinez. Well, he's never scored in the league for Barcelona. He has scored in the... Mbappe, the first chance, over the goalkeeper, into the back of the net, and Kylian Mbappe marks his first Clasico with a goal on 29 minutes. It's Real Madrid 1, Barcelona 0.
Again, very, very, very tight.
Yeah.
And, well, Barcelona at the moment are being saved by inches most of the times.
Yeah.
And I still think that this is offside, but we'll see.
Well, it's in fact it's Mbappe, and in the end it runs away from him. Well, Mbappe is knocking on the door in this, his first Clasico. Koundé up to Lamine Yamal. Camavinga slide against Jules Koundé. Lamine Yamal gets the shot away and wants the corner. Making his way into the penalty area. Lewandowski's there trying to find Fermin. Lewandowski! And up against Bellingham. Bellingham concedes the corner. Pedri trying to find Rafinha. Okay. Koundé with the cross, and headed away by Militao. And out for Barcelona. The early ball into Mbappe. First touch. Tried to take him inside onto his right foot. He's into the near post. Well, it's Lamine Yamal who goes for goal, and comfortably saved, Matt, by Jules Koundé. He's got Vinicius.
Yeah.
Vinicius with a shot. It takes a slight deflection and goes. Lewandowski goes for goal. Lewandowski scores. Surely the flag goes up. It stayed down. Barcelona have taken the lead. Well, surely this will be looked at but Robert Lewandowski for the moment has his 13th goal of the season. Barcelona's travelling 500 strong, support, celebrate. Hansi Flick celebrates in his technical area. It's Real Madrid 0, Football Club Barcelona 1.
Well, it seemed to me very tight, but possibly the one that is stayed and he played Lewandowski on was Ferland Mendy. I think let's see again.
Well, Lamine just, it looks as if Lamine said to Robert Lewandowski there, were you onside? And there was a nod from the Polish striker. We'll find Baldi with a cross, Lewandowski with a header, it's 2-0! Robert Lewandowski has scored 2 goals in 2 minutes, and suddenly Barcelona are in control of this Clásico. They've come out far the better of the teams in the second period. It's Real Madrid 0, Robert Lewandowski 2.
Well, the finishing is great. The cross is unbelievable. Great cross from Alejandro Balde. But the previous movement to that, the way that they moved the ball to play the ball to Alex Balde that was running forward was extraordinary. I don't know if we will have time to watch it again. Well, that was great. You only see the lad
against Koundé. Showed him that side. These Clásicos and lost both of them.
He hasn't actually called any of them over, but we'll see.
He's stood it down on his knee. It's put out for another corner. Strange. Is he going to find the space for a shot? He is. Iñaki Peña makes the comfortable save.
Well, the reaction that we expected.
There's a chance here for Kylian Mbappe, and that's a top save from Peña. He's got more work to do, maybe. No, that's gone wide. Well, great opportunity that for Mbappe up against Iñaki. Finds the far corner. Is the flag up? Yes.
The flag is up, Pete. The flag is up.
He has not been lucky because
Rafinha squares it to Lewandowski for the hat-trick. It's off the post. Well, that surely would have been game, set, match with as well. So is Lucas Vázquez. It might reach Lucas Vázquez. No, it doesn't. It's Robert Lewandowski. Chance number 2 for the hat-trick, and he's blasted it over the top. Looking for Bellingham. He got enough on it to make contact, but he couldn't steer it goalwards. It squirms wide. Chance for Real Madrid to get back into the game, and again it's Iñaki Peña who makes the save. Well, that's the 3rd time in the game he's denied. Lamine Yamal, and Lamine Yamal into the roof of the net. He scored his first goal in a Clásico, and surely it's the goal that gives Barca all 3 points here. We've seen some comebacks over the years from Real Madrid. It will be the comeback to end all comebacks. If they can win this one, they are 3-0 down. 2 from Lewandowski, 1 from Lamine Yamal. Real Madrid 0, Barcelona 3.
Well, Barcelona just waited for the right moment to kill Real Madrid on the counter-attack. The same that Real Madrid
defence. De Jong with the cross, looking for still Vinicius. Still Vinicius. Run to Valverde. Valverde will hit it. Iñaki Peña makes the save. Rafinha over the goalkeeper and unable to clear on the line. The 2 Real Madrid defenders, Rudiger was one of them. Rafinha celebrates. Rafinha hadn't scored against Real Madrid in a Clásico before this fixture. Neither had Lamine Yamal. They both have now. And it's Real Madrid 0, Football Club Barcelona 4.
Well, it's difficult to talk about the same again, isn't it? So another fantastic ball. Rafinha wins the duel against Lucas Vázquez. A lot of space. Great finish again. But